Hi everyone! In today's video I'm gonna share my salmon recipe that I found in a magazine 18 years ago, and I never cooked my salmon any other way. For the glaze you will need 1 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried dill, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 4 or 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and of course your salmon. Combine all the ingredients and then gradually start adding olive oil until you achieve a consistent paste, and make sure to mix the paste very well because you want the cayenne pepper to be equally distributed throughout the glaze. Otherwise somebody will end up without cayenne pepper and some poor soul will end up with all of it. Then sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of olive oil on a baking tray, spread it, place the salmon on a baking tray, and then spread the glaze over the fish. Then bake the salmon in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, in order to caramelize the brown sugar, switch the oven to broil and broil the salmon for another 2 minutes. And the result should be this nice flaky salmon that easily separates from the skin. I hope you tried this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!